Welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how to use AI editor. Many times it happens that we create some outline for our blog post and we need to write content for as per that outline. But none of the AI writer provide you facility to write in section wise. Okay, usually every AI writer allow you to add some keywords and it will start writing the content. To solve this problem, we created this AI editor feature. So let's copy these sections. For these sections, I would like to write content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select this particular stuff. Okay, and I'm going to select this particular content and I'm going to click on this button. As well as I click on this button, system will start writing the content for this particular section. Similarly, I will do that one for the another section and content will be ready for the another section as well. Here we can see the contents are ready. So this way we can write content by selecting the respective heading using AI editor. Thank you very much.